I've always wondered what it would be like to stand on another planet, to feel alien soil beneath my feet, to breathe air that no human has ever breathed before. But what if that planet wasn't so alien after all? What if we could transform Mars into a second Earth? It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But get this, scientists and it might not be as far-fetched as we once thought. Mars, the red planet, our cosmic neighbor that has captured human imagination for centuries. But what if we could change its very nature? What if we could make it green? Terraforming Mars isn't a new idea, but recent technological advancements have brought this concept from the realm of science fiction into serious scientific discourse.
30 years ago, terraforming Mars wasn't just hard, it was impossible. But new technology like SpaceX's Starship and synthetic biology have now made it a real possibility.
But why Mars? Why not Venus, or Mercury, or Pluto? Now, this is where it gets complicated. Should we terraform Mars? Can we? And if we can, what gives us the right? These are questions that don't have easy answers. On one hand, as Edwin Kite from the University of Chicago argues,
living planets are better than dead ones.
it's a compelling point. After all, if we could bring life to a barren world, wouldn't that be the ultimate act of creation? But on the other hand, what if Mars isn't as dead as we think? What if, by transforming Mars, we're destroying evidence of past or present microbial life? It's a classic ethical dilemma. Do we prioritize potential future life over possible existing life? And what about Earth? Could terraforming Mars actually help us solve our own planet's climate crisis? It's a lot to think about, isn't it? So, how would we actually go about terraforming Mars? Well, it's not as simple as snapping your fingers. Scientists propose a three-phase approach. First, we'd need to warm Mars up. We're talking about raising the temperature by at least 30 degrees Celsius. How? Well, methods could include giant space mirrors spreading dark dust on the polar ice caps, or even smashing asteroids into the planet. Next asteroids into the planet. Next, we'd introduce specially engineered microbes to start producing oxygen. And finally, over centuries or even millennia, we'd work on building a complex biosphere. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Science fiction, doesn't it? But then again, so did going to the moon. Until we did it. The journey to a green Mars starts now, with small experiments on upcoming Mars missions. Who knows? Maybe one day, humans will walk on a verdant Martian landscape, breathing air created by our own ingenuity. Terraforming Mars is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a test of human imagination, ingenuity, and perhaps most importantly, our sense of responsibility. As we stand on the brink of potentially reshaping an entire world, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for such power? And if we are, how will we use it? The answers to these questions may shape not just the future of Mars, but the future of humanity itself. And as always, thanks for watching.